Good day, cobbers. I have no idea what a cobber is, but whoever you are, good day. Jeff, I was going to try to run the Perseus today with the 501 boiler, but I've got a pretty substantial leak at the sight glass, so I need to stop that, and I just turned the burner off so I can fix that. I may get to it later today, but I kind of doubt it. However, I did get my whistle hooked up, so I wanted to show you that. And here's a toot. That's a nice deep sounding whistle. I like that a lot. Anyway, I'll try to get this leak stopped, and maybe I'll get a better video for you later. If not, maybe tomorrow. Although I have a feeling the solder is going to be just as bad because I use the same solder. So unless I got lucky, this one's going to spring a couple leaks as well. Anyway, talk to you soon. Bye, Jeff.